Oh, we got another one here.
Too much.
Let's do it. Oh, yeah. Very nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, look at the dogs. Looking for food. Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna come to eat some fish in Laguna Metapan. So this is a kind of Laguna here. Um, so we're just gonna come here and go on the canoe and then catch some fish and then eat some fish, right? So it's beautiful day. It's amazing. The last time I was here wasn't that there wasn't that much of a green um, grass underwater like this. It was more like it was a dry season, right? Dry summer season. Um, so this time of the year in September, it's more of a rainy season. So it's more like rain, right? So this is the season when it's just rain almost every day. So and that's why now we see all this is all green, and everything is green on the water. But when you come here in January, I think in January, yeah, so you see more of everything. It will begin, and it's just water all across. So we're gonna go in the water and have some fun, see what we can catch and eat. And the most amazing thing is gonna be you're gonna see how they cook here. They cook with the wood. So basically, they cut the wood, dry the wood, and then use the energy from the wood fire and then to cook the food. And that's a different kind of stove we have here. So welcome, and I hope you have fun watching. Thank you very much. You're gonna go fishing and hopefully get some fish. Yeah, and yeah. So you're gonna get some fish and then to cook the fish to eat. Eh? So this is just yeah. This was ready. I'm just gonna go see if we catch there some fish.
Grabando para que ahora lo voy sacando de una vez.
Oh, we got another one here.
Too much.
Yeah.
Pero bajaría el güey. Este es el antiguo después.
We got 1, 2.
Good.
Yeah, so we're gonna get quite a bit. Net fishing.
No me esa, no.
A Metapan.
Intento, le voy a digo, ya si la hice. ¿Cuántas hay ya?
Got a little bench there earlier.
Allá.
Vamos a tirar la delicias.
These are the first two we got. Those first two. Oh yeah. Very nice, beautiful. ¿Cómo se llama?
Tilapia.
Tilapia. Yeah. Right? Okay. So we got lunch today. Hopefully we got some more. See? Let's hope we catch one. So we're gonna cook the fish. So we're using the wood for fire to warm the food, right? Good to for cooking. Beautiful. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very good. See, got the fish. We have it on fire. Very good. Very good. Just from the lake over there. And here is the fish. Too close. Look at this little boy fishing. Hola, amigo. ¿Está bien en el video? ¿Está bien? ¿Sí? Alright, this spot. Oh, look at the ducks looking for food underwater. See, they are fish. They are looking for fish. Oh, ¿cuánto guarda? ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto pescado?
No cae,
No hay aquí.
no pica.
No pica. Necesita una comida. Necesita comida para el pescado para venir. ¿Sí? Oh, ¿qué tiene? Oh, bien. See, the kids, they just know, they're just smart. Look, they know what to do to catch the fish. ¿Hay pescado aquí? There's fish here. So he put more bait into the string, so hopefully catch one. Let's see what he got. So his boat, he doesn't want to go too deep, so he's just those things. Look at the dogs. The dogs are just drinking the water. See, so what they told me on here is that when it comes to, for example, the month of November, so they start to take all those things out of the water, so they can clear the water, so they can fish better. So yeah. And then for these months, for the rainy time, they just keep growing. They grow and grow and grow. So they're gonna die off anyway in the dry season.